Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a sweet relish tuna salad sandwich. And to start with, I got 4 5-ounce cans of tuna in a bowl. This is a real easy recipe to do. I also would like to welcome everyone to the new time slot for Dave's Cooking Show at 4 p.m. And then we want to add about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I used Duke's, to be specific. And then we want to drop in a couple of teaspoons of horseradish sauce, or as it's also known, horsey sauce. And then we want to add a half a cup of diced celery. And then we're going to add about a quarter cup of sweet relish. If you can, for whatever reason, find sweet relish, dill pickle relish is perfectly acceptable. But again, like I said, I prefer sweet relish for this. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. And then we want to give this a great big stir around and keep stirring till everything is mixed. All right. Let's get ready to make our sandwiches. All right, as you can see here, we got our bread lined up. We got a slice of Swiss on one side of the bread. And the other side has been buttered. And now we're just going to add some of our tuna salad to this. And then we're going to top that with yet another slice of Swiss. And then top our sandwiches, and let's go to the preheated griddle. All right. Now butter the other side, and then give these a couple of minutes to become all nice and golden brown. All right, after a couple of minutes, time to give our sandwiches a flip. And perfect. Nice golden brown. Make sure to knock the other sandwich off and give it a flip. All right. Give these a couple more minutes and we'll be ready to serve them up. Okie dokie. Time for our sandwich to be cut in half. And quick pull apart here. And boom. That is a sweet relish tuna salad sandwich. Done.